like.
I'll keep love you all summer and after fall. I'll keep you all summer and after.
Thanks for joining me and taking a look at this one-of-a-kind Montevilla home close to so many wonderful amenities. The moment you walk in, you're greeted with hardwood floors that are completely original. Gas-lit fireplace, plenty of built-ins throughout. Not just one spacious living room, but you've also got another back living space that's very sizable for all your enjoyment of hobbies, or enough room for dancing, entertaining, that greets a very oversized, very lovely covered cement patio with a very private backyard, shed, decking, a lovely tree for shade, and above ground pool. In the living room additional space, you've also got bench seating that has additional storage options right here. Nice little cubbies to tuck things away. You've got another bathroom off this space, and you've got the kitchen joining the two spaces with the custom cabinetry in the kitchen, glass inserts, and within the cabinetry, you've also got pullouts, solar light, updated windows, touring through to the bedrooms now. You've got hardwoods down the hallway that are continue to be featured, that are just beautiful. You've got great sizable bedrooms. And this room has another slider to the covered patio that we talked about that could be a great office space, another hubby room or bedroom, whatever you desire, what fits your needs. Thanks so much for joining me on this private tour. Please reach out with any questions.